After you've got some mobile traffic coming your way, you might be inclined to make specific use of it. Now, the first general use of mobile traffic is more or less passive. That is, you get a good SEO boost from having a mobile site which has mobile traffic coming to it and staying on it because they enjoy it, rather than bouncing away within seconds because it's not mobile friendly, which hurts your SEO. The second use of having mobile traffic coming to a mobile-friendly page is simply a positive brand image. Having an attractive mobile site reflects well on your business, makes people more likely to return, and makes them more likely to speak highly of you and share your business. This, of course, results in other things like mobile users clicking on your phone number to call your business or finding your opt-in forms or order buttons. But there's another, much more practical and specific way to make use of mobile traffic that hardly anyone talks about. And the reason nobody's talking about it is because it's brand new. This is literally a brand new state-of-the-art concept that was just introduced around early 2016, and it's still not very well known by most marketers. You see, it can be advantageous knowing what device people are on when they view your properties because of the different ways you can leverage those devices. Did you know that if a person's mobile device is prompted to send or prepare an outgoing email, by default, that email will come from whichever email account they designated as their primary email in their phone settings? This is a mobile-specific concept. Well, if you have mobile traffic, you can use a tool like Warlord Mobile Leads to actually create a little opt-in button that, when tapped, creates a pre-filled outgoing email with your choice of subject and body text, such as "please send me the free report" or something like that. And when the user hits send, that primary email address is added to your email marketing or autoresponder mailing list, along with their real name. Now, I'll give you a moment to rub your eyes and make sure you just read that correctly. Yes, this means you can leverage mobile traffic to ensure your opt-ins and leads are actually people's real primary email addresses and real names. This means your marketing emails end up in an inbox that is actually checked several times per day, and you can personalize subject lines with people's names. Now, that personalization has already been shown by itself to increase open rates by 29% and increase the profitability of your email campaigns by 73%. While the overall effect of collecting primary email addresses and real names together via Warlord Mobile Leads has been shown to increase open rates by a whopping 533%. And no, that's not a typo. Now, email marketing and high-quality list building are not the focus of this particular guide, so we'll stop there. You can always check out our guides on list building and email marketing if you want more details on those. But the point is, if you're going to get mobile traffic, you might as well find a way to specifically leverage it. So, we've covered a lot about mobile marketing today. Probably the biggest takeaway right now is that this is non-negotiable. There's no debate. If you want your online business to survive today, you have got to be mobile friendly. And nothing that you learned in this course matters at all if you don't implement it. So, to that end, let's set up a quick 3-step battle plan. Step 1, pick a content management system or use your current one and ensure your site and pages look great on mobile. Step 2, choose one or more methods for driving mobile traffic to your properties. We suggest you spend a small amount of money experimenting with a few different paid ad options. Step 3, leverage that traffic by using mobile-specific tools like Warlord Mobile Leads to build a high-quality, high-open-rate email marketing list. Don't put off implementing these steps. Take action and start executing this plan today. And if you're interested in that resource we mentioned for building a high-quality list with best email addresses and real names, go ahead and check out Warlord Mobile Leads and see if it's something that you can use in your email marketing.